Welcome to MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. My name is Stuart Caldwell, and today we're going to do a walkthrough of our Crest II 220. This particular model has our gray interior as well as the gray flooring. You have two loungers up front. You'll also notice the removable cup holders. You'll also have in-floor storage for skis, tubes, life jackets. On the side here, you have a privacy curtain changing station, as well as two captain's chairs. At the helm, you have your gauges, everything for RPM, trim, fuel, voltage, your hour meter, your fusion stereo, depth finder. Towards the back, you have additional loungers, plenty of storage underneath all of the seats. We also will install a table mount at your desired location. This particular boat has a 150 Mercury 4-stroke motor, as well as a ski tow bar. So please come by and see us again at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. We're located at 5800 Lanier Islands Parkway. These are some of the best tri-tunes in the market.